Nokia is about to launch another amazing 5G smartphone in the market. If you're looking for a fantastic mid-budget smartphone packed with premium features, then Nokia's latest device might just be your perfect match. According to leaks, this incredible Nokia smartphone is rumored to come with a 200-megapixel DSLR level camera and a massive 8500 mAh battery for unbeatable power backup. Yes, we are talking about the Nokia Lumia 2025 smartphone. So, if you're excited to get your hands on this powerhouse, make sure to watch this video till the end, because today we'll be diving deep into its full specs, price, and launch date. So let's start. Features of Nokia Lumia 2025. Display. This smartphone is expected to flaunt a 6.86-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, protected by Gorilla Glass Armor 2. On top of that, it's rumored to feature a 144 Hz refresh rate and a 390 Hz touch sampling rate for ultra-smooth scrolling and gaming. And of course, it'll likely include an in-display optical fingerprint sensor for quick and secure unlocking. Camera setup. When it comes to cameras, this phone is a triple camera beast. The primary sensor is said to be a whopping 200 megapixel with OIS for crisp, shake-free shots. It's also expected to pack a 24 megapixel and a 12 megapixel secondary sensor for versatile photography. As for selfies, a 64 megapixel front camera might be waiting to make your social media game stronger than ever. Battery backup. Power users, rejoice! This phone could come with a massive 8500 mAh battery, which should easily last 2-3 days on a single charge. And if that wasn't enough, leaks suggest it'll support 125-watt super fast charging, meaning you'll spend less time plugged in and more time on the go. Performance. Running on the latest Android 16 OS, this phone is rumored to be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 chipset, one of the most powerful mobile processors out there. Whether it's gaming, multitasking, or heavy-duty apps, this phone should handle it all without breaking a sweat. Price and launch date. Now, the big question, how much will it cost? The expected price is around $900, positioning it as a premium mid-range contender. As for the launch date, Nokia might unveil this beast by the end of this year.